today's activity is based on how to use water without wasting the water, because there is a lot of benefits of the water. So use the water wisely and don't waste even the single drop of the water, right? So watch the video and understand the concept of this video, then let me know what you understood. Okay, the child is using their brush, like he's brushing their teeth and while enjoying the water, and her mom is just telling them, beta, don't you waste the water. Yes, look at this. This video he's talking and he's also doing brush, but he's wasting the water. How many of you do this kind of act at the home? Yes, very bad. Look at this, how much water they are wasting. The correct way is turn off the tap and now do the brush. Look at this, they opened the tap and they started talking. They're just wasting the water of this tank and they're busy in discussion and they're laughing with each other. No, they just went by leaving off this tap open. No, other one is back with his filthy mouth, but the water just got finished. Now what will he do? He got upset. He's calling his mom, mama, mama, bring me some water, mama, mama. Because the elder students like Ayan, Numan and Daud had wasted the water. They're crying and crying. Please get back water. Please get back water. They don't know, they are so much upset. They can't take the shower. They can't wash their face. And her mother is also upset. Like their elders. Look at this. Look at this. They just went off without turning off the tap. Very bad. Ayan, Numan, Daud. I know you do this kind of activity. No, they refill the tank and they will wash them out now. Tell me what you have learned from this video. Stand up. You stand up and tell me.
Don't waste the water.
Okay. You know, you tell what you have learned from this video.
पानी को waste नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay, you tell. In other meanings.
Don't waste water from enjoying your activities and
Close the taps after using the water. But what will you do when you do brush?
We have to don't waste water, and we have
Don't let the tap open
Yes.
while you were brushing your teeth.
yes. जितने आपको जरूरत है
Okay, okay.
बेसिकली करना है जब हम ब्रश करते हैं टैप को ऑफ करके हम ब्रश में जब हम हमारा ब्रश करना है हम टैप ऑन करते हैं हम पानी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए.
अगर आपने पानी घर का वेस्ट कर दिया, then what will happen? What will happen, Armesh? What will happen when you will waste all the water?
the water is not remain.
Then what kind of problems will you face?
That we
Not be the brush.
Our family got upset. Our siblings got.
we got the
Yes.
We cannot take shower. We cannot do our brush.
Yes, we cannot do our house chores. Every house chores basically depend on the water, and the water is the basic necessity.
and we also need water when we cooking.
Yes.